Hello and welcome to REGO-FIX TechChat. My name is David McHenry. I'm the Senior Engineering and CME Manager here for REGO-FIX USA. Today, well, we are in the Center for Machining Excellence and we're here to go over the ForceMaster. So let's dive in, let's show you how it works. Let's show you the application you can download for your Apple device or your Google Play device and show you just how easy it is to record that data. Let's start off with the ForceMaster itself. When you receive your ForceMaster, you're going to receive it in this nice durable case for easy storage and containment. Inside, you will find your ForceMaster, room for different adapters that you can put in there. Your manual goes in here as well as your charging port and cables that you can keep right here with the machine. Now, this is made so you can grow, or it can grow with you as you add machines. And the nice thing is well, adding machines is very, very easy. And we're going to go over that in the application in just a few moments. So let's start off with the basic ForceMaster itself. It is made, the adapters are interchangeable. I have a large thread on the back side. I can take my adapters and I can easily thread those right on for the different machines. Now, today we're going to be using HSK40E on our Cur Micro HD here in a few moments as our example machine on the different values you can get using the ForceMaster. The ForceMaster itself has 3 buttons, making it easy to use. I have a save button, a trash can button, and a power button. Those buttons allow me to scroll through the different menus to set up what type of units I want to be in my results and change things like date format. Now, once I have the unit powered on, you can see that no matter which way I rotate the unit, the screen rotates with me. That means it doesn't matter left hand, right hand, horizontal, whichever machine I might have, the screen is very easy to read at all times. Now, as far as what we are going to do with this, well, this goes into the machine and we take readings. Obviously, it's a ForceMaster. It's made to measure the drawbar force on your machine. Now, the application that we're going to go over here in just one moment allows you to save that data and track it over time. So let's move on from the ForceMaster itself to the application. Today, we're going to be using an Apple iPad. Now, also remember you have the option for that Android device. Now, I've already pushed my icon to bring up the software, and the first thing it asks for is start scanning for a device nearby. Press the button, it automatically finds our FMA sitting right here on the table, ready to be used. I'm going to select that device, and it preloads all the information and makes that Bluetooth connection. What's really nice is when it does make that connection, it comes up with a mirrored screen, shows you exactly what's going on with the ForceMaster itself, and gives you the same control buttons that you have on the ForceMaster. Now, that's the easy part. The really nice part is that I can press the menu button in the upper left, and I can press the little gear wheel, which is your settings you're used to. I can change my units from kilonewtons to foot-pounds, depending on which machine I have. I might want to have a different unit. I can also set my date and time format. I can then go back to my menu. I can go to machine management. Now, the unit will already come with one setup on here, and that's the default FMA, which allows you to take any measurement you want to and manually record those. But if I have a shop full of machines and I want to record specific data for specific machines, it's very easy to add that. Top right button, I have a plus. I'm going to give it a name. In this case, we're going to be using our Cur machine for our tests. So I'm going to type in Cur. I'm going to select my spindle taper type. In this case, it's HSK40. And then I'm going to press the check button up in that upper right to save all the data. And now my Cur machine displays right along with the default measurement. Now, you might notice on the screen that the default measurement has a gold or lit up icon on the far right. That's telling me it is the active measurement to be taken. I'm going to push my Cur, and you'll notice the active button now shows that the Cur is lit up ready for measurements, and it's synced with my ForceMaster. Now, there are lots of different data that you can do with this, but the first thing we want to do, let's get some measurements and show you how it tracks. We've moved over to the Cur Micro HD, where we have Zach Dole, our lead application engineer here for the CME. Now, Zach, exactly how does it work getting that into the machine?
It's really simple. All you got to do is open your collet, stick the tool inside the machine, release, and your reading in kilonewtons is displayed on the screen.
Now, what's really nice, before you pull that out, the same reading that's showing on the ForceMaster inside the machine is also showing on the app. Now, I can press the save button here on the app, or I can press the save button inside the machine. I'm gonna go ahead and press it here on the app to save that recording. Now, Zach, if you wouldn't mind doing that a couple more times, we'll create a small table of results. For those of you wondering about Zach's background, stay tuned for a future Tech Chat. We'll go over Zach's background and how he came to help us here at the CME. So be on the lookout for that Tech Chat. In the meantime, we've taken some good data here. On my screen here, you'll notice that my power button is actually more like an up arrow, down arrow. I'm gonna press that button. It's gonna transfer all the data that we saved on the ForceMaster into the machine database. So let's take a look at what data we collected. Now that we've saved our data to our tablet, let's take a look what it looks like. So I'm gonna press the menu button in the upper left. I'm gonna go to machine management. I'm gonna select the machine I was on, in this case, the Cur machine. It takes a few moments to bring the data up. It says I have 4 measurements. I have a table showing the different measurements in a line graph, or I can press table and actually see those results actually as they were measured. Everything from 9 to 9.1 to 8.9, very, very close readings that we received. So I can have that data right here and I can track it, which is the best part about this. I can check my history. I can see exactly what I received when I received it. Why is this important? It's part of your maintenance program for your machine, making sure everything is working to its optimum level, making sure that machine is holding on to your tool holders and not causing a problem during your machining process. As always, if you have any questions at all about the application, the ForceMaster itself, or any other REGO-FIX product, please reach out to your REGO-FIX technical team. We are here to help.